Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to enlarge candles on Tradingview. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Tradingview account, which of course I have done right here. And now the next thing is, how can you create an account on Tradingview? You can do that by launching in any browser of your choice. Now once you do that, locate the search bar. In the search bar for browser, type tradingview.com, and that's going to take you right into the official website for Tradingview. Once you get into the website, just follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account. And after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Tradingview. So now we're here to quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to enlarge candles in Tradingview or in Tradingview charts. So for you to do that, you need to open up a chart of any markets of your choice. You can head over to markets rather, and choose any market of your choice. You can use the search bar to choose any market that you like to open. So this is Apple, and this is the candle display for Apple. Now let's say I want to increase the size of this candle, which is literally the core of this tutorial. All I would need to do is to just head over to the y-axis of this chart, and this is the y-axis of this chart. We have all of these figures in here. So once you set the hair, you can move your cursor here, go down, and you see that the candle reduces to tiny bits. Go up, you can literally scroll up from here. I can see that the candle increases, and as you can see, it's just increasing to a very tremendous size. So you can just keep increasing to however you want. As I'm increasing right here, just keep zooming in, and it's increasing until there's literally nothing left. So scroll down and it's decreasing, scroll up and it is marvelously, scroll down, decreases, scroll up, and this is marvelously increasing. So I've just given you a bonus tip how to decrease, and of course how to increase. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.